Hey, I'm Kimberly, and my goal is to educate you on how to leverage the power of AI to create incredible things effortlessly. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, building a professional digital product store in just minutes. And guess what? It's completely free. Look at this store. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's ready to take payments, it looks incredibly professional, and here's the craziest part. I didn't have this store 10 minutes ago. Seriously. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build this entire digital asset using completely free AI tools. It's not just easy, it's easier than making lemon water. You just pour and stir, and you'll have a live store. Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the AI magic, we need a home for our digital product. For this tutorial, we're going to use Gumroad. Why Gumroad? Because it's incredibly user-friendly, it's designed for digital products, and you can get started for free. We aren't coding, we aren't hiring expensive designers, and we're definitely not pulling our hair out trying to figure out complex e-commerce platforms. Gumroad makes it simple. Once you're logged in, you'll see a simple dashboard. Head over to Products and click New Product. You'll be prompted to choose what type of product you're selling. For most digital products, digital product is the one you want. Give it a name, something clear and concise for your customers to see, and set a price. Don't worry, you can always adjust this later. For now, let's just get the basic structure in place. See? It's already taking shape, and we haven't even touched the AI yet. All right, this is where the AI truly shines. A professional-looking store needs eye-catching visuals. First, we need a killer banner. This is the first thing your customers will see, so it needs to grab their attention. Step 1. The banner, I'm going to use Canva for this because it's free and incredibly powerful, especially with its AI capabilities. I'll search for a Gumroad banner template to get the right dimensions, or I can simply use its text-to-image feature. Let's try prompting it. I'll type something like, a sleek modern banner for a digital product store selling productivity templates, minimalist design, dark blue and gold color scheme, professional. Look at that! In seconds, I have several professional banner options. Now, back to Gumroad. I'll upload this banner right here, and just like that, our store is starting to look legitimate. No design skills required, just a clear prompt. Step 2, the description. This is crucial for persuading potential customers. But who wants to spend an hour writing compelling copy? Not me, especially when AI can do it better and faster. This is where ChatGPT or Google Gemini comes in. I'll open up ChatGPT and give it a very specific prompt. Remember, the more detail you provide, the better the output. I'll type something like, write a persuasive and concise product description for a digital product that is an ultimate productivity planner template. Highlight its benefits. Helps users achieve goals faster, reduces procrastination, provides daily, weekly, monthly planning, and includes habit trackers. Use an encouraging and slightly enthusiastic tone. Keep it under 200 words. See how quickly it generated a well-structured, benefit-driven description? I'll just copy this text and paste it directly into the description box on our Gumroad product page. I might do a quick read-through to ensure it perfectly matches my brand voice, but honestly, AI gets it right most of the time. This saves hours of staring at a blank page. Step 3, uploading the file. Finally, the most important part, uploading your actual digital product. Whether it's an ebook, a template, a course, or an audio file, Gumroad makes this incredibly simple. You'll find the content section on your Gumroad product page. Just click Upload File and select your finished digital product from your computer. Gumroad handles the secure delivery to your customers automatically after purchase. It's truly a hands-off process once it's set up. Double check that you've selected the correct file and you're almost there. I'm going to click Publish right here. From a blank screen to a live piece of digital real estate. Think about the time and money this saves. You now have an asset that can generate income for you 24/7, all built with free, accessible AI tools. Now that you've built this incredible store, the natural next question is, Kimberly, how do I get people to actually buy my product? That's where traffic comes in. Building the store is just the first step. Attracting the right audience is the next. I explain my exact traffic strategy, focusing on leveraging free methods and more AI tools to drive customers to your digital products in this video right here. It's packed with actionable tips that complement what we just did. Click on it to learn how to effectively promote your new digital product store and start generating those sales. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what digital products you create and sell.